What's up everybody, here we are again with the second video. Today we're going to be making some mango habanero wings with broccoli and mac and cheese. So Mariali's still under the weather right now, so she's just going to be behind the camera. As soon as she recovers a little more, she's going to be also, you know, showing you guys how to make a couple hot meals. Alright, the first thing you want to do is season the chicken. Today I'll actually show you what type of seasonings I like using personally. So now that the chicken is all seasoned up, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. We have this oven preheated to 400 degrees. We're gonna let that cook in there for at least 20 minutes. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the mac and cheese. Depending on the size of your family will determine how much you use. So here we go, you just open it. Take the cheese out. We're gonna go ahead and put it in boiling water. Then we're gonna stir it up a little bit, add a tiny bit of butter and keep it going. Now that the mac and cheese is boiling, the chicken's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and get this broccoli steamed. First step to that is obviously wash it, and then we're gonna chop it. So now that it's chopped, here we have it. We're gonna go ahead and put it in this pan. So you wanna add a little bit of water. Here we got 2/3 of a cup. We're gonna go ahead and put it in there. Now we're gonna close the lid and turn up the heat. So we have the mac and cheese, it's all boiled up and softened. We're gonna go ahead and strain it. Be careful not to burn yourself. We're gonna use the same pan right there. Now that this is nice and drained, we're gonna go ahead and put it back in the pot. So typically I use butter, but since we're at a buddy, we're gonna go ahead and use some olive oil just to help everything fall in love with each other. Here we got the cheese. Guys, the broccoli is just now starting to steam. We're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of celery salt and a little bit of black pepper. And now we're just gonna let that finish cooking up. So here we're gonna go ahead and start on the sauce. The mango sauce is the important part. We're gonna go ahead and heat up this pan right there. Remember the sauce, it consists of a habanero and an onion. Cut the onion. We're gonna go ahead and come over here. That's what we want, is that black color inside all the vegetables here. So here we have a mango. We're gonna chop that mango. Now that we got the mango chopped, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the blender. Before you put your first coat of mango sauce, make sure you drain all the water and liquid that comes out of the chicken. After you do that, we're just gonna go ahead and drizzle the sauce everywhere. See you guys on the next one. Like, subscribe, and comment.